Ever wonder why some people are instantly liked while others struggle to connect? It's not random chance. It's engineered through dark psychology tactics most people never discover. In this video, I'm revealing 7 covert techniques used by elite social engineers and persuaders to make anyone instantly like them. While others hope to be liked, these masters deliberately create psychological triggers that bypass conscious resistance. If you're ready to master high-status psychology and social influence, make sure to subscribe now, because I break down hidden tactics most people will never discover. Tactic number 1, the mirror effect instant connection. There's a simple trick that makes people like you within 3 seconds, and it's backed by psychology. It's called the mirror effect. Our brains trust familiarity. When someone subtly mirrors your body language and speech, they feel safer and more likable. Studies show mirroring boosts rapport and trust. Most people try too hard to impress, creating distance. Instead, reflect, not perform. Match their posture, nod rhythm, and even breathing pace. A salesperson who mirrors a client's gestures builds trust faster than one who dominates the conversation. Here's the key. Mirror their gestures within 3 seconds, but subtly. Done right, this trick creates instant connection and trust. Match tone, not just words. Speak softly if they do, or speed up if they're energetic. Overdoing it feels unnatural. The goal is rhythm, not mimicry. Even if someone knows this trick, their subconscious still responds. Therapists and negotiators use it to build trust. But beware. Mirroring negative emotions amplifies tension. Instead, mirror their energy, then guide it toward calmness. Context matters. Mirror a boss's confidence, a friend's casual style, or an interviewer's professionalism. Used ethically, the mirror effect isn't manipulation, it's social calibration. You're not pretending, you're creating a natural bridge for connection. Tactic number 2. The forbidden frame and reciprocity, creating instant investment. Want to make conversations irresistible? Leverage curiosity and subconscious obligation. Start with the forbidden frame. Our brains fixate on missing information. Phrases like, "I probably shouldn't tell you this," spike attention. Strategic pauses build intrigue, making people lean in. Drop a hook, then deliver value. Next, use the law of reciprocity. A small, unexpected favor, like remembering a name or offering insight, creates subconscious goodwill. People feel compelled to return the gesture. The key? Make it organic, not transactional. Stack these tactics. Tease a secret. Few know this. Then offer value. Since you asked, here's a contact. This mystery generosity combo hooks attention and builds rapport effortlessly. Tactic number 3, the scarcity principle becoming more desirable. People don't value what's easy to get. They chase what's just out of reach. If you're too available, too eager, too accessible, you blend in. But if you hold back just a little, take your time to reply, end conversations first, let them wonder about you, you create perceived value. This principle explains why high-status individuals naturally attract attention. They don't rush to be liked. They let people come to them. The human brain equates rarity with worth. Make yourself slightly less available, and people will start wanting your attention more. Tactic number 4, the power of touch building trust quickly. This one is powerful, physical touch. Done right, it builds instant connection. A light touch on the arm, a tap on the shoulder, these trigger the brain's trust and attraction centers. But here's the key. It must be subtle and situationally appropriate. If you're too aggressive, you creep them out. But a casual, friendly touch, it plants a subconscious signal. I'm comfortable with you. You can be comfortable with me. And just like that, you become magnetic. By the way, if you're finding this valuable, hit subscribe now, because this is just the beginning. I dive even deeper into next-level influence in future videos. Tactic number 5, the dark psychology loop, creating psychological addiction. And finally, the dark psychology loop, This one is so powerful, it can make people not just like you but become drawn to you. Here's how it works. Start by giving them attention, make them feel important. Then pull back, shift focus elsewhere. Let them feel your absence and crave your presence again. This push-pull dynamic triggers deep psychological addiction. It's why people chase what they can't have. Use this wisely, because once you do, people won't just like you, they'll need you. Tactic number 6. The power of suggestion influencing without force. Subtle language shifts can plant ideas in someone's mind without resistance. The trick is to make it seem like their own realization. Instead of saying, "You should do this," say, "You might start to notice," or "Most people eventually realize." These phrases bypass resistance by making the idea feel like a personal discovery, not an external instruction. Hypnotists, marketers, and elite communicators use this all the time. The brain is wired to be more open to suggestions that feel like they originated internally. If you frame your ideas correctly, people will not only accept them, but believe they thought of them first. This technique also works in social influence. Instead of directly telling someone they're confident, say, "You probably don't even realize how much people respect your confidence." Their subconscious starts scanning for evidence to support this, reinforcing the belief. The key is subtlety. If they sense manipulation, they resist. But if the suggestion feels natural, it embeds itself in their perception effortlessly. Tactic number 7. Identity alignment, making people see themselves in you. People don't just like those who share their interests. They like those who reinforce their own identity and self-image. Here's the secret. Subtly align yourself with the traits they value in themselves. If someone sees themselves as ambitious, say, "I can tell you have a strong drive for success." If they take pride in their intelligence, say, "You seem like someone who values deep thinking." When you do this, their brain forms an unconscious bond with you. You're no longer just another person. You're a reflection of their best qualities. Studies show that people's strongest connections are with those who validate their identity. This is why successful salespeople don't just sell products, they sell identity alignment. They make customers feel like their purchase affirms who they already are. Use this wisely. The moment someone feels truly understood, they lower their defenses, and that's when you become irresistibly likable. Conclusion. These 7 tactics aren't just tricks. They're the foundation of elite social mastery. While most people struggle to be liked, those who understand human psychology create instant connection, attraction, and influence effortlessly. That's why the 3-second trick works. It's not just a gimmick, it's psychology in action. The forbidden frame and reciprocity make conversations magnetic. Scarcity shifts how people perceive your value. But true social mastery isn't about just knowing these tactics. It's about using them deliberately. The difference between those who are liked and those who are followed, respected, and sought after comes down to execution. If you want to truly master social influence, subscribe now and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. The next level of high-status psychology is coming.